Mitoy? I mean, Mitoy was part of a band. He went to Japan. What about you?
Opo, I've been always singing abroad.
Oo.
I started when I was 18.
So, nag-OFW ka rin?
Opo.
Saan?
First, biyahe ko po was Indonesia, sa
Okay.
Jakarta.
Oo.
Tapos we went there a few times. Tapos po noon, China po ako, Korea,
Oo.
and Thailand. Doon po ako nagtagal sa Thailand. Ngayon po, 15 years na po ako doon nakatira.
Now, alam mo what's amazing about The Voice? I've always loved The Voice simply because it's a blind audition.
Yes.
You are really picking someone because gusto mo yung boses ng tao. So sabi nga ni Mitoy, kung The Face ito, baka hindi ako pumasok. Pero since The Voice, baka pwede. Janice, I wanted to ask you because it's not typical that sumasali sa mga singing contests. Usually, a little on the slightly bigger side. What made you join The Voice? Was that ever a factor in the past? I mean, was your weight an issue ever?
It has always been an issue, my weight. And that's the reason why I never joined any competition on TV.
Yeah.
Kasi po, if I may say, napaka-brutal ng audience ng Pilipinas. So, you have to look almost perfect on TV. Kaya po sabi ko, parang hindi ko kaya. But all my friends kept telling me, oh, you have to join yung mga X Factor and all this other talent shows. Sabi ko, ayoko, hindi ko kaya yung ano. Pero that was when I was a bit younger. Pero now na I've been parang seasoned na and I've met a lot of people, mas makapal na yung mukha ko. And I think I can, yung kaya ko nang iswallow lahat ng mga criticism. And tapos yung The Voice pa, nakatalikod yung mga audience. So,
Hindi nakatalikod ang judge.
Ay, yung judges. And sa tingin ko, malaking tulong yun sa akin. Kasi hindi nila makikita yung katawan or yung itsura. And they will really focus on The Voice only sa umpisa. So sabi ko, dito may laban ako.
Ang galing! Natotoo naman eh. Napakaganda ng The Voice, yung concept niya. Now, ano ang future? What's gonna happen after this?
Well, we're under MCA and IBS-CBN until December. And pinag-uusapan pa po kung sinong isa-sign ng MCA. So, if saswertehin, magiging part kami nun. But if not, yung coaches po namin, maraming plano pa na sa amin.
Oo, that's the good part. Your coach was Sarah, who was your coach is Appleby App.
Yes.
You know, he is an amazing person.
Yes.
I mean, I've seen him sing live, and he just has that inspiring energy as a Filipino.
Yes.
What did you learn from Appleby App?
I've learned to be humble from my coach and just to always put yourself in the song. Like, every time you sing, make everybody feel what you're singing and just be yourself when you're up there and learn to control.
Learn to control. What do you control?
My voice, because my voice tends to be too loud sometimes. So, minsan, sabi niya, pag masyado ka nang sinasapian, you oversing. So, control minsan.
Ang galing. Okay, what about you, Clarice? What did you